In this episode, we talk about key maintenance care features. Let's get into it. Hi there, welcome to part 4 of a 10-part series on everything that you need to know about maintenance care. I'm Devon Hennig with SelectHub, and I'm here to give you a detailed tour and my honest, unbiased opinions about maintenance care, its platform, its pricing, its alternatives, and more. In this episode, we're talking about key maintenance care features. Let's go. Maintenance care has a lot of features packed into one product. Here are the top 10 differentiating capabilities that SelectHub found in its review. Key feature number 1, work orders with notifications and duplication checker. Like other CMMSs, maintenance care allows your employees to submit work orders directly to your maintenance team to keep your facilities operating smoothly. What's great about their approach to work orders is that they have simple request forms, a user-friendly dashboard to manage the work orders, and a built-in duplication checker that will warn anyone who submits a work order if their request is similar to another request that has already been submitted. Beyond work order creation, management, and duplication checking, maintenance care also has automatic notifications, both for new requests and preventative maintenance tasks that need attention. Emails and text messages can be delivered to any mobile device, allowing you to stay in contact with your team regarding any urgent issues. Key feature number 2, powerful, flexible filtering. The filtering capabilities of maintenance care are impressive. You can filter task statuses across your entire organization, or you can drill down to specific buildings, areas, keywords, and more. Quick filters and charts give users a high-level look at the status of work orders. Maintenance teams are even able to uncover where bigger issues might be lurking. For example, if there are a lot of tasks for a specific piece of equipment, that will stand out and may point to an underlying issue like electrical concerns. Or say you're audited on fire safety, you're able to easily filter for all fire safety tasks that aren't done and complete them quickly. Key feature number 3, maintenance scheduling made easy. Scheduling is another area where maintenance care shines. The Schedule tab is where management sets up the maintenance team's schedule, which can be customized or set up based on pre-made templates. And that schedule is then fed into a nice calendar view. The biggest use cases regarding the scheduling area are typically related to compliance and preventative maintenance. Think fire safety checks, for example, emergency doors, fire extinguishers, as well as industry-specific tasks. For example, bed entrapment checks at senior care facilities. Don't have your schedules formalized yet? Don't worry. Maintenance care provides templates that are state and province specific. They'll also help you set it all up. If you're operating multi-location facilities, you can have a master template to push out to all locations, which the head office can always update and push to local locations with just a few clicks. Key feature number 4, easy to generate task lists for vendors. One of the nicest quality of life features maintenance care offers is the ability to create task list reports for vendors. You're able to filter down to just the tasks you want to give a specific vendor and then print them out or send them over in a PDF. Imagine you have to call in a pest control company. You can give them all the pest control tasks in a printed out PDF that they can check off one by one. Easy peasy. No more worrying about forgetting anything and no time spent manually writing out tasks. Key feature number 5, asset tracking all in one place. A good CMMS helps you track all the assets in your facilities and easily log acquisition dates and warranties, models, serial numbers, and more. Maintenance care goes further by helping you predict asset lifespan to determine equipment value and help you forecast capital expenditures. By having this eagle-eye view of your assets and their repair history, you can reduce mid-year surprises and plan for years when you know you'll need more budget to replace the equipment. Key feature number 6, preventative maintenance to stay compliant and streamline tasks. A cornerstone of any CMMS platform is its ability to address an organization's preventative maintenance needs. With maintenance care, you can schedule preventative maintenance tasks in advance, stay compliant with regulations, and automatically assign tasks to the right people. Furthermore, you're able to include documents with any preventative maintenance task, including MSDS forms, training PDFs, safety documentation, and instructional videos. Team members can easily locate and reference the right documentation from both mobile and desktop. Key feature number 7. Audit logs with unlimited history. Unlike other CMMS tools that have limited records and equipment history, every task within maintenance care is recorded as an unchangeable record and kept for all time. This audit trail is useful if you ever need to audit the maintenance history of an asset for insurance or accident claims. Inspectors can verify if proper maintenance was performed, and any issues that could have been caused by a faulty appliance or a problem with the manufacturer will not be blamed on the actions of you and your team. Your system will keep the data stored safely should anyone ever need to review any facility history. You'll always have the history of what happened, and you can't accidentally delete the data. This is particularly important for government buildings, healthcare facilities, and other industries with heavy regulatory requirements. Key feature number 8, automated task assignment. One thing you'll thank yourself for later is setting up automated task assignments. Maintenance care makes it easy when submitting work orders to set certain rules. For example, does the task go to a manager who delegates everything, or do you want it to go directly to a particular person or vendor? Whatever you decide, there will be a notification and email to the appropriate users. It's a great time saver that reduces mistakes and shortens the time to task completion. Key feature number 9, pre-built reports for tasks, forecasts, depreciation, and more. Reporting on tasks and analyzing your facilities is critical to staying compliant and planning for the future. Maintenance Care's out-of-the-box reporting is both extensive and automated. But for the sake of this review, here are a few of their most popular reports. Asset Depreciation Report. By uploading your equipment, even before there's any history on it, you can see all equipment grouped by how old it is. You'll know how old your building is getting and when the majority of equipment is getting past its life expectancy. You can also sort by year, which is helpful for budgeting. For example, you might see that in 2027, you'll have to budget more than usual for capital expenditures. Task Report. Group your tasks by assignee, status, type, buildings, and other factors. Closed Stats Report. See how quickly your team is closing out tasks, how many tasks are over 90 days old, and other information that's important for maintaining SLAs. Asset Forecast Report. Get a quick look at your equipment based on life expectancy. If you need to share any of these reports or perform deeper analysis, you can easily export the data in PDF or Excel formats. Key feature number 10. Robust mobile app for on the go. Maintenance Care's mobile app has nearly all the functionality of the desktop version, allowing your maintenance team to have access to the same CMMS wherever they go. Team members will love that they can take all their tasks, requests, and updates with them on any mobile device, including Apple, Android, and BlackBerry. There you go. Maintenance Care's key features its users say are among its most liked or most differentiated. Next up, we cover features not supported by Maintenance Care. For the rest of this series, including the full review and Maintenance Care alternatives, check out the links in the description. If you're at the point you just want to talk to someone or see Maintenance Care in action, get a demo in the description or download our CMMS resources. They're great if you're still in the research phase of your buying journey. All right, folks, that's it. That's all. Have a good one. Cheers.